This week we are showing you how to enhance a photo frame with WoodUbend trim and Posh Chalk pigments. We start by choosing the WoodUbend trim TR710 and heating it until it becomes flexible. As this is one of our dainty trims, you can tear it with your fingers or by using a craft knife if you are feeling proficient. When you are working with WoodUbend mouldings, always use a good quality wood glue. This will ensure the WoodUbend trim adheres well to your chosen surface. When applying WoodUbend mouldings or trims, follow these simple steps. Heat your moulding until it becomes flexible. Cover the entire back of the moulding with wood glue. If you are using a trim, you can alternatively cover your chosen surface with glue. Place the moulding onto your chosen surface and press down hard until the moulding cools. Reheat the moulding and press down again. This step is necessary as no surface is completely flat. Finally, remove the excess glue with a wipe or wet paintbrush. Once you have followed these steps on all the sides of your frame, it is time for the Posh Chalk pigments. We mix the Posh Chalk pale gold pigments with the Posh Chalk pigment infuser. This way we can control our own consistency. Using the Posh Chalk premium stencil brush, the Posh Chalk pigments are dabbed over the WoodUbend frame. And just like that, a DIY photo frame created using WoodUbend trim and Posh Chalk pigments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments.